You never got formally married, but now they want a piece of your money after a car wreck. What do you do? I'm attorney Ted Sink at TedLaw firm, and I have seen this a lot. In South Carolina, they had something called common law marriage, and even when people weren't married at a courthouse, didn't have a marriage license, they could still be married after they hold themselves out as being married. I have another video about what common law marriage is and how it was banned prospectively in 2019. But all the old common law marriages still get argued a lot. People say, well, we are married because we formed a marriage before that time in 2019. And surprisingly enough, sometimes you can't get any money unless that spouse signs off on their claim as well, because they'll sometimes have a claim for loss of consortium. And that isn't just sex like people think. It's the cost to kind of take care of a spouse after a wreck and do things that they couldn't otherwise do. There's a wider definition, but it can, yes, include sex and the loss of spousal privileges, as they say. So it's really interesting that sometimes people will not hear from this estranged spouse, so-called spouse, for some time, and then all of a sudden they'll pop up out of the woodwork and they will demand some money just to get you the money that you're entitled to. This does happen, and it is a pretty intensive lawyer thing. So you need a lawyer if that happens to you. If you've ever held yourself out as married in South Carolina, and Georgia's less of a problem, make sure you get a lawyer involved. I'm attorney Ted Sink at TedLaw firm. We help people navigate this all the time. Shoot me a message, give us a call if you've been in a wreck or injured at work, especially if you have someone out there who might say that you were married at one time.